Hello everyone, my name is Sarah. I'm 7 years old. Today I'm happy. I will talk about farm animal. I have one question to ask you. Have you seen a farm animal? You?
Yes, I have. I have a chicken.
That's right. Farm animal, or animals that are raised on farm for this meat, dairy products, or to help out the farmer. Cow, the milk giver. They live on farm and provide us with milk, which is used to make dairy products like cheese, butter, yogurt, and ice cream. Horse are also live on the farm and help the farmer with their day work. Goats. Goats also commonly found on farm. They can be, be, be milk just like cow. Cans and their milk can be used to make cheese, butter, yogurt, and even soap. Pig. Pig are raised on farm for this meat. We get pork, bacon, and sausage from pig. Chicken, chicken or calf, either for their meat or to lay egg. Female chicken lay egg. They are known as hens. They tend to lay 1 to 2 eggs each day. A male chicken is called a rooster. They are responsible for the early morning cock-a-doodle. Geese. You might also find geese on a farm. Female geese lay eggs just like a chicken. Why a farm animal is important? Because farm animals help people in many ways. Cow give milk. Chicken give egg. Sheep give wool. Horse help carry and pull things. Pig provide meat. Duck help control insects. They make farm life busy and full of energies. Farm animals are friendly, helpful, and fun to learn about. They give us food, clothing, and help farmer every day. Let's love and take care of all animals, big or small. Thank you for listening. Your homework today is make a video of one tractor and tomorrow I check the super fast video. Now you subscribe and for more videos. See you again. Goodbye. Peace.